Hiya, welcome to my Humvee addiction. Today we're going to do the bushings on this, on the 1151. I didn't want to break the ball joint, so everything's in good shape. So basically, I took the bolts off, popped it up, rotated it around. So now you can see how bad these bushings are. It's only this part of the truck. This one damn near looks like it's gone. This was it. This one isn't too bad, but I'm changing them both. The rest of the truck looks good. I do have them all, but I'm not going to worry about going there because these things are a little over $100 a piece and they're tight. So I did them on the 1131. I'm sorry, 1123. Here's the bushing. So they got a large end and a small end, and they got to be pressed out in that manner. So you can barely see the lip, which would be that lip there. And let me get this thing in frame. I'm trying to. Anyway, so these get pressed out like that. So I have a tool. Forgot who the guy was. It's a very good tool. It's worth the money. It presses them out, presses them in. It worked before. So basically, let me set you down, and we'll do them. Got my 5-gallon bucket tripod. So it's basically a bunch of parts. This part is up against the truck, and this is going to accept the bushing. It looks like machined stainless steel, and looks like it's pretty high quality. Standard bolt you find in a hardware store. So if you strip it out, wear it out, whatever, and it has this part, which is like a die. It's going to run through the control arm, and basically press it out. Let's see if this even works. I hope it does. You do have to line it up. And they are 15/16. Get some ears on, because this thing's loud. Yep, wrong way. Oh yeah. Oh, I got the editing staff to take care of that. Come on. Anyway, it's stuck. Oh, there she is. I think that's stripped out. That's not good. But there's your bushing. Yeah, hope that's not messed up. Hopefully it'll get me through the job. There's the old bushing. So now, press it in. That protects the rubber. Yeah, I damaged the threads. I don't think I'm going to do the other one. That goes on like that. And this takes up the space. I'll press it back, then we'll press the new one in. That's it. New bushing. So now I am taking a chance on this bolt. I don't know if you can see that. That bolt's got a big old notch in it. But I'm going to run with it. Use one of these as a spacer and get out of them threads. And again, if you buy this tool, there's one face that goes against the tool, one face that goes against the truck all the time, because obviously you can see it's worn. I didn't think this bolt was bad. I would have bought a new one before today. So I will put this on backwards. Get me out of them bad threads. Flirting with disaster here. Not good. But we'll run with it. Let's see if I screwed up the threads. They had enough to cut the bolt. Come on. There we go. Good for 10 more uses. Alright. Anyway, you can see. Make sure you're in the shot. That sucker's bad. So little bit of the old wiener sliding on there. Head's in the way. Probably can't see a thing. Alright. I'll press the new one in. Yeah, that thread is messed up. That's how you do bushings on a military Humvee. This tool is critical. I don't know of any other way to do it. The guy has a video about it. Yeah, those threads are absolutely torn up. It's totally gone. Hopefully you could see that. Anyway, yeah, those threads are totally toast. But you do that 16 times and you'll get your bushings out. So this frame mount, there's the frame mount. See how it's got that, see how it's got that little wow in there. Here's the part number and general. Anyway, I may change this, I don't know. I want to, I'm here. Oh, it's upside down, but anyway. See, it's nice and straight. Something happened. Again, who knows? Probably hitting curbs. Driving through some friggin' Afghani's house. I don't know. Anyway, that's this video. So there's the A-arm bushings. Obviously there's two clips that you got to remove on the fording valve, the fording vent that is connected to the A-arm. The one goes there and the other clips in through here. I think they're like, I don't know, 9/16 quarter-inch hardware, I forget. This is some kind of a weird self-tapper. So it's like 9/16, and this here it actually was missing, so I'm gonna get hardware for that. So anyway, that's that. Oh, and a quick update. These are all tightened for the winch. I got a big hardware delivery. So the winch mounts are tight. The hardware I'm missing, actually, oh yeah, I got the radiator mount installed. I hope that's correct. I got washers top and bottom. This was on it. These are new, but the bolt itself. I got the hose, which I will change. This one doesn't seem bad, but I think I'm just going to change it. And yeah, this bolt right here was missing. And it's loose. So, as per the winch instructions. So, the winch will get on. I still have to bleed the brakes on that caliper. I got to bleed this. I got a vacuum bleeder coming from Scamazon. And, what else? I think that's it. And the other brackets that are missing. I'll show you that. This one's here, but it's upside down and backwards. These 3 set screws, I got 6 of them. Looks like one holds a wiring harness with a 1-hole strap, which you probably can't see. That wiring harness there. And then on the oil cooler, you got this bracket, and this thing's upside down. I have to undo it, but anyway, this is just dangling here loose. So that's gonna go on these two. And that wiring harness, I assume, goes to this one. Or one of them, whatever. Anyway, well, that goes to that. I'm sorry. But I got all 6 of these. So that side's missing. I can't see. I got a thing on the viewfinder. Yeah, so these 3 are gone. That bracket's here. But the other triangular looking pieces, I have it. So bleed the brakes, those miscellaneous hardware pieces, then we can start, you know, then I can get into the winch. So that's the update. I got the hardware for the doors, which I don't know if I showed this on the truck. I didn't have the washers, but we got an X door on there. Still, I'm bad with my. I got the washers. They're in the. They just came today, so I got to take all these out, and of course fill in the holes with hardware or the plug kit. I don't know. The plugs look janky, but they might be good here behind the doors and stuff. So anyway, so that's it. These X doors are awesome. A little bit of delamination. Got nothing but glare. It's all bungeed up. Here's all the winch hardware packs. That's some frame bolts from the lower control arms, but that's all the hardware for the winch, controller, snatch blocks, all the good stuff, shackles and everything. Yeah, I just have this thing bungee corded shut, but this thing's gonna be badass when it's done. It ain't gonna look perfect. She ain't getting a paint job for a while, because I'm gonna have to build a paint booth somewhere, probably about here. 2x4s across, pull it in, get the trailer out, paint it right there. But that probably won't be for a year or 2. Anyway, this video's been long enough. Have a good one. I appreciate the comments, and subscribe and ask any questions if you need them. Alrighty, have a good one.